You look at these perfect houses in the Hamptons and think you understand their luxury. But what if I told you that their most important feature is something you can't even see? It's not the wood, not the marble. It's a secret hidden deep in their history. And once you see it, you'll understand the soul of these places forever. The first clue lies in their origins. When New York's elite first came here in the 1800s, they built these sprawling, shingle-style homes. Look closely. The weathered shingles were designed to blend with the sandy dunes. The wide, open porches weren't just for show. They were built to intentionally blur the line between inside and out, forcing you to engage with the sea air. This wasn't just construction. It was a deliberate first step away from the rigid city. The next clue is found inside. The design was an engineered calm. They used natural wood to ground you, to make you feel connected to the earth. And the colors, an endless palette of whites, creams, and beiges. Why? Because these colors don't demand your attention. They reflect the natural light, creating a quiet, serene space. Every room was a deliberate retreat, designed to quiet the mind. But we still haven't reached the secret itself. So, what is the secret? It's not an object you can touch. It's a feeling. The feeling of sanctuary, the invisible architecture hidden within every Hamptons home is a meticulously crafted sense of peace. Every design choice you see is a tool used to dissolve the stress of the outside world and connect you deeply with nature. That is the true luxury. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Look at how the modern homes carry on this tradition, those huge walls of glass. They're not just for the view, they're there to pull the calming presence of the ocean right into the living room. The focus on linen, stone, and rustic wood. It's a tactile way to keep you grounded in the natural world. This isn't just a style choice, it's a philosophical one. And the ultimate expression of this secret is found outside. The gardens, the pools, the outdoor lounges. They are the final step. They prove that the house itself is just the heart of a much larger sanctuary. The goal isn't just to give you a beautiful home, but a beautiful state of mind. And that's the secret of the Hamptons. It's not in what's built in, but in what's felt. It's the invisible architecture of peace crafted from light, air, and a deep respect for the quiet moments in life. And now you can see it too.